Hi, this is second grade lesson 2, and we're starting with adding and subtracting. Number 1, we have 45 plus 8. We're going to first add the ones. So 5 plus 8 is 13. We put a 3 and then the 1 goes up, which makes it 13. And we're putting the 1 on top of 4 because these are the tens. These are in the tens place. So 1 plus 4, it would be 5. So the answer is 53. Number 2, we have 83 plus 11. Again, we're adding the ones place first. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And then now we're adding the tens place, which is 8 plus 1. That's going to be 94. Now, number 3, we have subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 12. And number 4, 33 plus 27. 3 plus 7 is going to be 10. So we write the 0, and we put the 1 on top. That makes it 10, right? 1, 0. And we're going to add the tens. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. The answer is 60. Now let's try number 7. We have 51 minus 12. Because when we look at the ones, and because the 1 is smaller than 2, we're going to have to borrow 1/10 from the 5. So if you borrow 1/10 from the 5, that's going to become 4. And now this is going to become 11 instead of 1 because we borrowed 1/10 from the 5. So 11 minus 2 would be 9. And here we have 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the answer is 39. Okay. Now, lastly, we're going to try number 11. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 6 is also 8. So we have 88. Page 2, we have even and odd numbers. Write even or odd. So we're going to count how many candy canes there are. And then we're going to write if the number's even or odd. Let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is an odd number. So we write odd. Okay. Number 2, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. So that would be odd. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. 5, 7, and 9. And the even numbers would be the rest. Now we're going to count how many hats there are. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even number, so we're going to put even. And we do the same thing for the rest. Now, we're going to go on to the next page. We have place value. Write how many tens are in each number. Number 1, we have 24, right? The tens place is this one, and the 4 would be in the ones place, right? So that we would have 2 tens. Here we have 96. 9 is in the tens place, so that would be 9 tens. And for number 3, we have 13. And if you look at the tens place, we have 1, right? So we just put 110. And number 7, we just have a number that is 1 digit, and it does not have any tens place, so we're going to write 0 tens. Now, write how many tens and ones are in each number. So, first to find the tens, we're going to look at the tens place, so that would be 3, and then now ones, right? 2 is in the ones place, so we write 3 tens and 2 ones equals 32. Now we're going to do the same thing for number 2. We have 6 tens and 4 ones. Now, number 4, we have 16. The 6 is in the ones place, so we're going to write 6. And then here we have 1. So we write 1, 10. Word problems. We're going to try number 1. Susan planted 28 flowers in her garden. She planted 12 daisies, 3 sunflowers, and some roses. How many roses did she plant? So to find this out, she planted 28 flowers, right? So she first planted 12 daisies, 3 sunflowers, so we're going to add 12 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, and the 1 is going to drop because we don't have any numbers under 1, so 15, right? And some roses. So we're going to find how many roses she planted, we're going to do 28 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is going to be 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So she planted 13 roses in her garden. Let's try one more. We're going to try number 3. Steven has 18 red toy cars and 36 green toy cars. How many more green toy cars does Steven have than red ones? To find how many he has more, we're going to do 36 minus 18. Because 6 is smaller than 8, we're going to borrow 1/10 from 3. So this 3 is going to become a 2. And now we're going to have 16 over here. So think this as a 16. 16 minus 8 is going to be 8. And now here we have 2 minus 1. That would be 1. So Steven has 18 more green cars than the red ones. Thank you.